I'm going to do a summary of the different functional groups that we study in organic chemistry. Some of these will be familiar to you, and you should be able to label the different functional groups in these molecules. So just a recap. So you have the alkane functional group where you have all single bonds, and so for example, CH3, so like this. So this is alkane. There is no double bond here, so all single bonds. So this is called alkane. You have alkenes. In alkenes, you will have CC double bond. So CC double bond. Sometimes you will not see the H's, so it's just going to be represented like this. So you will see double bond there in the structure. You know it's an alkene. You have alkyne. Alkyne is when you have triple bond, so C triple bond C. So this is what you will see. You just see triple bond like this. You have alcohols. So for alcohol, you will see OH. You have benzene. So benzene ring, you will see this. This is the benzene ring. So normally the carbons are not shown. So this is called a skeletal formula. So we just show the bonds between the carbons. Hydrogens are not shown as well. If you have a benzene ring and an OH together, this is called a phenol. Benzene ring, sorry, you have a ring in here. So benzene ring with an OH, this is called phenol. Now this OH could be anywhere. It doesn't matter, the position of the OH could be here, or it could be here. It doesn't matter as long as you have a benzene ring and an OH. And we have the amine functional group. Amine is when you have NH2 bonded. Now, sometimes you can have NH and then there is something bonded. So you could have CH3 bonded or an alkyl chain bonded to the NH, right? You could also have N and then two alkyl chain. Normally, an alkyl chain we represent by an R. R means any alkane group. That's why it's called alkyl. So alkane groups give rise to alkyl chains. So for example, CH3, C2H5, these are alkyl chains. So alkanes give rise to alkyl chains. So you can have NH2, you can have NH, and then one bond is to an alkyl, or you can have nitrogen bonded to two alkyl. These are all amines. Then you have amides. Amides or amide is when you have CO and then NH2. You could also have CO, N, and then it's bonded to one alkyl chain, or CO and then nitrogen bonded to two alkyl chain. As long as you have the CON here, so this is called amide. Then you have an aldehyde. Aldehyde, this is when you have the COH, and this is going to be bonded to a chain, a long chain. So this is an aldehyde. And then you have a ketone. So CO and then this is going to be bonded to 2 alkyl chains. So this is ketone, CORR. So this is bonded to 2 alkyl chains. Then we have an ester linkage. Before we look at ester, let's look at carboxylic acids. So carboxylic acids, you have COOH. This is a carboxylic acid, also written as COOH here. You have ester, where you will see COO, and then this is bonded to R, this is bonded to R, right? So you will see COO there. You also have ether, where you have CO, and then, so you have R chain, so alkyl chain, and these are linked by a single bond O. So this is called an ether. So here we have a list of all the different functional groups. So you will see these main functional groups in organic chemistry. So this is just a recap of all of this.